always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Good evening. We've seen a lot of changes today, and we're about to see another one. Light snow building into the area, and then a moderate band of snowfall. And that looks like it's going to be setting up everywhere from Muskegon north through Big Rapids, and then dropping several inches there. Everyone has a chance of seeing at least 2 inches of snow once we get through the evening hours of your Sunday. But highest totals, again, are going to be on the northwest side of Grand Rapids. Let's go and take a look at Storm Track Live right now. Do want to show you that we're starting to see some of that precipitation building back in from Holland up through Greenville. Now, right now, it's just light snow, but I do want to zoom out for you and show you what's coming our way. So we've been watching and waiting for 2 separate storm systems to kind of merge or phase over us. We had the first one pass through today. Actually, a lot of the moisture is well out ahead of it now. And then the second batch of energy is still back towards Iowa. They actually have a blizzard warning going on in northwestern Iowa as we speak. Now, what we're going to see here and what we're already beginning to see is these 2 storm systems coming together to form one area of low pressure. The reason why that's important is once we get that one area of low pressure, we're going to see a band of snow setting up on the northwest side of it, and that's what's going to be dropping those enhanced totals. And so that's why we're confident that we're going to have different totals depending on where you live. But everyone is going to be seeing the cold. That's one thing we're all going to share in. Tonight, temperatures hovering near freezing. We have fog out there. Be careful early tomorrow morning. We do have fog that's going to be reducing visibilities, and we have very slick conditions on area roads. Futurecast shows that band's beginning to set up after 11. And if we continue on throughout your evening, notice it keeps that orientation. Now, south of that line, we could see sleet, maybe a little bit of rain, but by the time we get to 8 a.m., most of us will just be seeing light snow. Again, you can see that darker blue, Muskegon, Fremont, Big Rapids. Once we get into Sunday afternoon, we start to pull in very cold air and breezy conditions. So noon will still be right around 30, but by the afternoon, 20s. By the evening, the teens, feeling more like the single digits. Sunday, 11 o'clock, we'll see some lake effect snow here, but it's going to be so cold that even those snowflakes will be very small. So in the short term, this is what to expect. 7 o'clock through about 7 a.m. Notice additional accumulation here by a matter of inches. And then all of us have a chance of seeing, I'm thinking, 1 to 2 inches. We start off the day at 32 degrees and we see that falling temperature trend throughout the afternoon especially. So be careful, get ready, get out the big coat. Monday, 14 degrees. I might actually drop this tomorrow morning if you join me at daybreak. And with the wind chill, it's going to be feeling more like 10 below. Tuesday, our winds lessen some. They slacken up. That's good news. And we get a little bit of warmer air. But Tuesday is actually the day that we'll probably be waking up to the most snow. Wednesday, we get a return of the cold. Even next weekend, we're stuck in the 20s.